Hello, boys and girls. I just wanted to welcome you to another fun year in second grade. My name is Mrs. Myers, and if you're watching this video, that probably means that you'll be in my class this year. We are in room 17 down along the third grade hallway. So on Monday, August 27th, you will look for me and I will be there to show you into our classroom. So I bet you're a little bit nervous and probably a little bit excited about what to expect in second grade. So I wanted to make this little video to say hello and to tell you a little bit about myself and what you might expect in second grade. So first of all, like I said, I am Mrs. Myers, and this will be my 16th year teaching second grade here at South. Can you believe that? 16 years. I think I'm getting kind of old. I also have a wonderful husband, and I have two wonderful children. Don't mind the fly. My daughter Cassidy is going into kindergarten this year, and my son Torin is going to be a fourth grader. So a couple little things about myself. Let me see if you can guess one of my favorite things. Are you ready? Here's your clue. That's right, coffee. Love coffee. I'm super into coffee. Another thing that I'm really into, here's another clue. Pirates. I love pirates. If you come into my classroom on Monday, August 27th, you will see pirate stuff everywhere. I even have a skeleton in the classroom, but he's a good skeleton, so don't worry too much. So that's a little bit about me, and I can't wait to meet you and find out what your summer was like and all the kinds of things that you like. So just a reminder that this Thursday, August 23rd, we're having an open house here at South from 2:15 to 3:15. This is your chance. If you can come on down and visit our classroom early, and you can even bring your supplies with you. Again, we are in room 17, so if you want to come down on August 23rd, that's this Thursday, come on down and I'll be here to meet you and say hello. Again, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the summer, and I can't wait to see you this coming Monday, August 27th.